Hello guys, welcome to day 43 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I'm going to create my first website, if I can. I'm not sure, but I'm going to try it. And let's get it started. Yesterday I just tried to design two appearance of the website. One of them was this picture and one other was this one, which I'm going to create this one. Okay, let's get it started. First of all, I have to create a folder for my project, for my website. So the content that I am creating for my website going in that folder. Like here in Drive C, creating a folder, calling it my CV website. It should be a resume website, a CV website for myself. Okay, I create it, and now I have to create a HTML file for my homepage, the homepage on my website. First of all, I have to choose my folder that I have created, my CV website. So now everything I'm going to create is going to be here. Okay. Now I have to create a HTML document. And it was like this, I think, new text file. Select a language. Typing HTML. Okay, that has been created. Now I have to create a document for HTML, and it has a short key. Yes. And in the head section, I can write my CSS files, or I can create another CSS file and connect it to this homepage. But right now, I don't want to make this complicated, so I'm just going to create a tag called style. And okay. Now I'm going to write every CSS code in here, in my style tag. And let's call this, rename this page as index. Here, index. And now, as I designed my website yesterday, my website have a background color with gray. I think it should be great. So the body tag, here should have a gray color, and I can call this here like body background color gray. And let's see if I have this. There should be a option like it's right open with live server, so I can watch what I have done here. I think I didn't install the plugin, so preview HTML and offline. Oh, I have to connect to internet. Come on. No internet secure. Is it connected? Hi. Yes, it's connected. And now I have to. What was I searching for? Yes, here, preview HTML. It is still offline. Preview. Okay, HTML preview. I think I should install this one. So if I install this one, it helped me. I will be able to watch my codes, the results of codes. Which one? I think this one. Install, and I have to wait. So it's installed. Okay, now I'm coming back to my codes, and is this preview? Yes. So as you can see, I turned my web page to a gray color. Maybe I should change the color a little bit darker. I don't know, it's for a start. I will change the color later, or maybe orange. No. Choosing the color. Let's choose this one for now. Okay. And now I have to create the hardest part, which is my menu in here. Every single of items in my menu should have a page for itself, like home page, and I already created the home page, and portfolio. Every single of them should be with a tag, tag a link tag. How should I start to create it? I just forgot it. Let me search in my notes. I have my notes in this computer and I'm coding in this computer, so what you can see is my screen from laptop, but my notes is in this computer. You cannot see it actually. It's in other language than English. Remediate list of elements. I think I should create a list and I have to make it horizontal, if I am right. In order to create a list, I have to use UL tag. Let's create this one. In the body tag, I have to create a div tag, and inside the div tag I have to create a tag called UL another UL. Now every element of my menu should have a li tag. li open, li close. And I should write something like my home page. Home. Oh, it's already write it there. Home. And I just copy this and paste it like portfolio, and another one called resume. Another called, another one, contact. Item 1, item 2, item 1, item 2. Okay, now I have to remove all these bullet points, these circles here. In order to do that, let me choose a name for this div id menu. Did I write it right? Okay. How should I remove the bullet points? It was, I think it was display, none. Oh no. It was something none. The value was none, but I don't remember the code. How to remove bullet point in CSS. List style type to none, yes. Thank you, Google. But it didn't work. So no thank you, Google. List style type menu. It doesn't remove the bullet points. Why? From li list CSS add list style type none to your code. This code targets the CSS selector UL, which selects all HTML tags UL. The ones used for an order list, and adds the CSS list style type node to remove the bullets. This is how you get no bullets below. I may target the li itself. Yes. Okay, well done. And now I should order my list horizontally. In order to do that, should I use Flexbox right now? Flexbox horizontally. Let's try. Okay. Menu. Or I can call the UL, but it's better to not doing this because I may use another UL later, so this will interact each other. So let's try this. Display flex. Should it be flex or Flexbox? Okay. How could I make this horizontal? Let me see my notes, or let's use the Google first. How to make a list horizontal CSS Flexbox horizontal. Set the container of the list to display as flex by applying display flex. What was container? You then apply justify content center on the container element to center list. Okay, container. My container should be this div, and it's called, the ID is menu, so displays flex and justify content. Oh, just make it in center, but I didn't make that in horizontal. And why is that? Then apply justify on the container element to center. Maybe I should target the UL, like UL justifies contents. No, maybe it doesn't work because no. I should watch my content, my notes. Flexbox, display flex. Div class container. Let me try to change this as container. No. I'm thinking about if it make any difference if I change this to class, not ID, but I don't think this be a problem. Container display flex get blah blah. Color. It should be in, maybe it should be inline flex. Inline. No, still doesn't work. Maybe the problem is that I have been create this list with li tag and I didn't make them with the tag a. I don't think so. This is not the problem. So what is the problem? In the meanwhile, let me install this live server so I can later on open my codes in Chrome. Come on. How much time? I spent it 26 minutes. And I got stuck. I know that I have to use the Flexbox method and it should be horizontal already. I don't know why my items here doesn't get horizontal like this. Come on. Where is the problem? Let's Google this one. My list items, tags, CSS, not getting horizontal with flex. Dynamic width and they try to do it with LI. It doesn't. Use the display inline block, which I did. Inline block. Display inline block. Inline. Okay, this is installed. And inline. And what is this? I have two sections. What am I seeing here? Closing this one and inline block. Nope. Maybe inline. I should inline block here. Maybe. Display inline block. Yes. So remove this one, and now I have to make between them space, or maybe now I have to use the Flexbox and put them on the center. Display flex inline flex and justify content center, and it didn't do anything at all. I want to put my items in the center of the page, so I can use margin, but I don't think it's a standard way to do this. I want to use Flexbox. Why my Flexbox doesn't work here? Okay, it's done. Let me continue this tomorrow and see how I can fix this problem. If you know how to fix this problem, you can hint in my comment section and do some help. I would be appreciated. If not, I'm going to search on Google, checking my notes, and let me see what happened. See you tomorrow, guys.